Hello friends, welcome to online tutorial spot. Here I am Pratik Raj with my new tutorial on Apple iOS iPhone 6. In this tutorial I am gonna to show you how to change the new iOS in the iPhone 6. Uh, Basically it's asking for activation, means I forgetted this iPhones. You can now see that it's activating iPhone. You can see that I forgetted my Gmail ID for which currently it's logged into. So for this purpose I'm going to reinstall the iOS in this. You need to install iOS in the mode known as recovery mode. You can see that the current iPhone is in recovery mode. As you in previous video I can show you how to go to the recovery mode and PPC mode of iPhone. For basically in recovery mode the iTunes will install the fresh OS and also clear all your files from the iPhone. So now when the phone goes fully off, connect the working USB cable to the computer and open the iTunes. Further follow the steps. So now keep holding the home button. Connect the power cable cord until now you are in the UEFI mode. You can see there is a pop-up screen on that there is a problem with the iPhone required to be updated or restored. So now in this menu click the restore because you want to the fully erase the content of the phone. Restore process will fully erase the content of the phone. So click restore. You can see and there is another prompt from the restore to factory setting and the new version will be installed. Okay, click restore and update. You can see the iOS 9.3.4 is installed. Further click next, accept. Now you can see that the iPhone is in recovery mode and you can here see it is downloading the iPhone software update which is of the 2GB, approx 2GB. So OS, then it restore it through the iTunes. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it. You are watching this video at the online tutorial spot.